Okay, guys, here's the notes to the back of your sheet to finish. So we're going to do this real quick. Again, we were talking about CDF. Tells you the total probability getting any value less than or equal to. If it's P, X is the probability that your variable will be greater. But really, on this section, we're talking about continuous probability functions, which is the likelihood that whatever you're looking for falls within a certain range. And so, yesterday, we talked about creating uniform distributions. And so, we saw that it had to equal out to 1. And so, basically, to get the height, you just flipped the base, which is your range, right? You did the reciprocal. So now we're going to look at how do we calculate whether we're going to fall within the range. I'm just going to do one problem real quick, and I think you guys will get this. So it says a random variable is distributed over the interval 0 to 12. Well, because I did this on the computer, it was hard to draw in the box, so it's just labeled as such and says what we need to shade. And the shaded area is from 3 to 8. So if you want to put this in your notes, this would be great. So you're going to shade just from 3 to 8. So that's all we're looking for is that section. Okay, and what the likelihood is that whatever we're looking for will fall between 3 and 8, whether that's the number of pets somebody has, the number of points they scored. We want to find out what is their likelihood. And so what we're going to do here is, number 1, you're going to subtract the range. So I'm going to write this over here in the steps. Bear with me with the writing. I forgot my stylus at school, but here are the steps. Find the range. And when I say find the range, you're just doing that for the base. Okay, so I'm going to find my range. It's going to be from 8 to 3, and I get that by subtracting. So my range here is 8 minus 3. So it's 5. Okay, and then I'm going to multiply by height. So I'm going to take 5 that we got, and multiply it times 1 over 12. So the probability is 5 out of 12 chances, and you could go ahead and change that into a percentage if you want, but that is the likelihood that it would fall in that range. Oh, and just FYI, where did I get the height? I got it from over here, and just multiply, and we're done here. That's it. Go ahead and add the next 3 problems and see if you can do them. I'll check them in class. Have a great day today. I love you guys. Miss you. Bye.